Today we are making traditional Gujarati recipe which is Sheera and papad. We'll need dry fruits which are chopped, wheat flour, sugar, chopped dry fruits, papad, saffron and cardamom powder. Add ghee and wheat flour, mix continuously so that it gets dissolved in ghee. You will be needed enough ghee because in this recipe the important ingredient is ghee to make it tastier. Mix it well. You can add some more wheat flour if you need it. According to the consistency, you can add ghee. Now that you can see it is getting ready, now add sugar. And we have heated the water. Now add 1/2 glass water. Add saffron and cardamom powder and mix it completely. If you need, you can add some more sugar on the top of it. Now it's ready to serve. Now you can fry the papads. In olive oil. Now it's ready to serve.